how to find duplicate files and how to delete duplicate files in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Simply go to your web browser and type search my files nirsoft. This is one of the best duplicate files finder, and press enter. And search result, you will find the option www.nirsoft.net. Click on it to open. nirsoft page will open. Scroll down and go to the bottom of the page, and here you will find the download option. Download at 64-bit. Click on it. Files will delete. Open it. Open downloaded files. At the end, double click on it to open. Click on extract all and assign a path to save the folder. Click on finish. Now apply a double click on files. Click on run. A new window box will open. Open it and fill all the requisite data, such as a search. You should select duplicate search. A lot of options available here. You should click on duplicate search. Under file folders, you should select your drive. Click on browse, and here we will select D drive. Select it and press OK. Now fill all the requisite data or click on start, and all the duplicate files in your Windows 11 Windows 10 system will appear here. Right click on it and choose duplicate, delete duplicate search. That's all.